Hello, fantastic Strayer students. Dr. Stan Reeley here, and I wanted to take just a few minutes to welcome you to our class this term. I am really, get it? Looking forward to working with each of you this term. I wanted to tell you briefly a bit about myself. I have 18 years working in healthcare administration, and after that, I went back to school, just as you were doing, to earn my terminal degree so that I could teach college, and I've been doing that for roughly about the same amount of time, about 18 years now. So again, I'm really looking forward to getting to know each of you better. We're going to have a very exciting time in our course. It's a great opportunity because we get to know each other in this type of environment, because we come from all different backgrounds and experiences, and being able to share this knowledge with each other in such a diverse collection, with such a diverse collection of individuals, is a great opportunity for all of us to learn about the subject matter that we're covering. So again, thank you. I'm really excited about our time together moving forward, and I will see you in our class. And as the commercial says, let's get it. All right, take care all. Bye-bye.